Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set all alerts for PayPal transactions. I just log into my PayPal account and how it's possible, just move in the settings which is top right corner and scroll down to find account settings. And this browser may load this account settings. After you will scroll down to find notifications. So you will see this notification, just tap on it. After inside this notification, if you want to instant payment notification, this is the instant payment notification for alert. So just tap to update your information and it will be allowed to set this alert payment notifications. So you can see instant payment notification. So IPN means instant payment notifications. If you want to enable on this PayPal account, you may just choose IPN settings. So just tap on it and provide some information about yours. So you will be see this, you will see receive IPN messages enable. So just put a notification URL or website and it will be shown alert. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.